So as you can see, without the tensioner pulley on there, there's the pulley housing, but I took the actual idler pulley right there off of the unit, and I could get to that bottom bolt without removing the engine mount and putting the engine up on a jack and all that crap. You might not be able to get the idler off before it's mounted, so mount in the first two bolts, the one in the center and the one right there to the right, and that'll make it stable enough, and then get your tensioner pulley bar and hook it on there, and not even a quarter turn the thing came loose. There is a bolt on the back of the screw that holds that tensioner pulley idler in place, so what I did was I wrapped it in plumbing tape, the white tape that you would put on the threads, and snugly put it back into the hole where it goes, and then I put a shopping bag underneath it, as you can see, my Home Depot bag, to catch it if it does fall, and if my socket falls off the wrench. But so I hope this helps. It really made more sense to do it this way, and it's a little bit easier. All right.